Hi, I'm Dr. Back. Welcome to the clinic. So mainly this is where the magic happened. In the last video I talked to you about Invisalign is a cutting edge technology, and this is one of the coolest things that happened to dentistry. This is it. We have a patient now that is not screaming. She's still here and she agrees to stay on for the video. I have my beautiful assistant here, which is a hygienist, which is making the scan with us. And mainly this is how we work. We have the teeth of a patient on the screen, and this is more precise than actually working on the mouth because you have no limitation, and we can move it around and see what's what. So in this case here, we have to align those teeth, and the computer will help us to simulate, okay, this is where we should go, and then we have to make our own calculations. So yeah, yes, to all my dentists, my colleague dentists, you still have to work a little bit. This is not just free of work, but still, it's pretty cool. And if you go through the technology of it, I'm not that used to it, but here it is. So now what's cool is you have at your fingertip the mouth of a patient to work on. And you know what's amazing about this is the patient love this. You're changing their life, but you're touching them. So what we're talking about, when will come the day that dentistry will evolve to the point that they won't hurt you anymore? This is it. This is it. I hope that answers some of your questions, saying, is this really working? Is this really painless? Is this really... It's still dentistry, but this is light dentistry. It's dentistry with a human touch. That being said, I hope you enjoy. Dr. Batch is the way from Literature. And ladies, thank you.